Ever spent hours looking for the perfect background track, only to worry about copyright? What if you could create custom music in seconds? No licenses, no legal headaches, just pure creativity. I'm Samantha from NextAIVault, and in this video, I'll show you how Mubert is changing the game with AI-generated, royalty-free music for creators, developers, and businesses. Mubert is an AI-powered music generation platform that lets you create original soundtracks instantly. Whether you're making videos, building an app, or just need chill background beats, Mubert uses your inputs like mood, genre, or tempo to generate music that's totally unique and totally legal. Created by a team of audio engineers and AI experts, it's built to streamline the way we think about sound design. So what makes Mubert stand out? First, AI-generated tracks based on your mood, activity, or genre. Want lo-fi beats for studying? Upbeat EDM for your promo reel? Mubert's got you. Second, Mubert Render creates downloadable tracks in MP3 or WAV format. Third, if you're a developer, the Mubert API lets you add AI music to your app or service. And for pros, Mubert Studio allows you to train custom AI models. That's next-level customization. Oh, and it even supports text-to-music generation. Now let's talk real-world use. Content creators use Mubert to make background tracks for YouTube, TikTok, podcasts. No copyright strikes. Game developers use it to generate adaptive soundtracks that evolve in real time. Marketers can whip up jingles and branded audio in minutes. And musicians? They use it to explore new sound ideas or add layers to their compositions. It's fast, legal, and saves hours you'd spend digging through royalty-free libraries. Mubert is perfect for content creators, video editors, indie game devs, marketers, podcasters. Basically anyone who needs quality music fast and without licensing issues. If you've ever Googled royalty-free music for YouTube, this tool is made for you. Pricing and plans. Here's the breakdown. Mubert has a free tier, great for personal use, but you'll need to credit them, and downloads are MP3 only. Paid plans unlock commercial use, higher quality tracks, and full access to advanced features like the API, stem separation, and studio. So whether you're testing or scaling, there's a plan that fits. Compared to SoundRaw or AIVA, Mubert focuses more on adaptive generation and deep customization, especially useful for developers and dynamic content creators. If you need flexible, genre-spanning music on the fly, Mubert's your tool. Okay, let's be real. Mubert isn't perfect for composing emotional film scores or complex orchestral music. It's best at functional, vibe-setting tracks. And while the free tier is generous, commercial users will want to upgrade for better quality and fewer limits. Also, over long periods, some tracks might feel repetitive, so tweak your prompts to keep things fresh. Quick tip: the more detailed your prompt, the better the music. Instead of just saying chill, try ambient electronic 70 BPM nighttime mood, no vocals. Also, try Mubert Studio if you want to push boundaries. You can actually shape how the AI thinks about music. And developers, Mubert's API is insanely useful if you're building music-reactive apps or interactive experiences. So whether you're editing videos, building apps, or running marketing campaigns, Mubert lets you skip the music stress and go straight to creating. No copyright issues, no dry music libraries, just high-quality AI-made sound. If that sounds like something you need, give it a try. Hit like, drop your favorite genre in the comments, and subscribe for more AI-powered tool breakdowns. And of course, check out the full Mubert experience at the link below. See you in the next one!